Today we're going to show you how to use the Rest Material Preview. The Rest Material Preview is based on the current state of the stock model. In other words, it is only accurate to the latest toolpath with a stock model update. In this work zone, we have created several toolpaths and run stock model updates on the two roughing toolpaths. Left-click on the Hide Show Rest Material icon located in the right side toolbars. The Rest Material dialog box appears. The Rest Material Color section allows you to define material thickness ranges. By default, there are 3 color ranges. Here, we see that any areas with more than 2 millimeters of stock will show up in blue. Any areas with stock ranging between 0.01 millimeter and 2 millimeter will be displayed in gray. Any areas with stock ranging between negative 0.01 millimeter and positive 0.01 millimeter will be displayed in yellow. And finally, any areas with less than negative 0.01 millimeter will be displayed in red. Let's adjust the values. The values must be smallest at the bottom and largest at the top. Attempting to enter a value that is larger than the value in the field above it will result in a warning message. In the middle field, let's enter 1.5 millimeters. In the bottom field, let's enter 1.0 millimeters. Now, let's add some additional ranges. Left-click on the star icon next to the lowest color bar. A new field is displayed. Let's enter 0.5 millimeters in that field. Again, let's add another range by left-clicking on the star next to the lowest bar. Enter 0 in that field. If you want to change any of the colors for the ranges, you can do so by left-clicking on the color bar. You can select a predefined color on the Mosaic tab, a named color from the Named tab, or define your own color by using the Gradient tab. Once you have set your parameters the way you like, you can save them as defaults by clicking the image of the disk with red arrow located in the lower left corner. If you wish to restore your defaults, you can click the image of the disk with the green arrow. If you don't save your settings before closing the Rest Material Preview window, the next time you open the menu, your default values will be restored. Left-clicking the Area Definition button and manipulating the bounding box in the Graphics area allows you to reduce the area to check for remaining material. This is particularly useful when cutting large parts and you're only concerned with rest material in a small area. By default, the entire part is checked. For our example, we'll check the entire part. Let's generate the rest material model. Left-click the Compute button. The rest material model is now displayed in the graphics area. You can adjust the opacity of the rest material model by moving the slider bar to the left to make the rest material model translucent. This allows you to see your part and the rest material model simultaneously. To get a better idea of how much stock is left in an area, you can left-click on the part at any point on the simulated rest material to display the stock thickness at that point. As always, we hope you found this tech tip helpful and would like to encourage you to explore all the available WorkNC tech tips.